Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best arc welders that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional welder, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's dive in and get started with the video. Coming in at rank number 5, we have the Hopoo 200 amp stick welder. This compact and budget-friendly option is packed with features that make it a great entry-level choice for DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists. With its advanced IGBT inverter technology, this welder delivers smooth arc starts, anti-stick functionality, and impressive performance for welding rods in the 1/16 inch to 1/8 inch range. It even comes with 20 welding rods and 2 chip hammers, so you're ready to weld right out of the box. The design is incredibly portable, weighing just 3.7 pounds and measuring 7.8 by 3.9 by 5.3 inches. It's perfect for small-scale projects or repairs where maneuverability is key. Despite its size, it provides adjustable current up to 200 amps, allowing you to tackle mild steel, cast iron, and similar materials with ease. However, the lightweight construction means it might not be as durable as higher-priced options in the long term. Overall, the Hopoo welder is a solid choice for beginners or anyone looking for a portable solution at an affordable price. While it's not ideal for heavy-duty use, its value proposition makes it a worthy contender for light repair work and DIY projects. Pros include affordability, portability, and included accessories, while cons include limited durability and less power compared to higher-end models. At rank number 4, we have the Saker Portable Electric Welding Machine. This welder boasts intelligent IGBT inverter technology, ensuring stable current and efficient performance. With adjustable current ranging from 20 to 120 amps, it's versatile enough for projects like automotive repair, fencing, and light fabrication. The integrated hot arc start function aids in smooth arc initiation, making it beginner-friendly while still offering features appreciated by seasoned welders. The design is remarkably lightweight at just 3.3 pounds, making it one of the most portable options on this list. Its compact size ensures easy storage and one-handed operation, which is great for tight spaces or mobile use. The welder supports rod sizes from 3/32 to 1/8, delivering clean seams with minimal spatter. However, its lighter build and lower amperage range mean it's not suited for heavy-duty welding tasks. The Saker welder is a fantastic pick for users who need portability without sacrificing functionality. Its pros include advanced inverter technology, compact design, and ease of use, while cons include limited power for tougher jobs and a slightly higher price point compared to other entry-level options. It's ideal for casual welders who want a reliable, portable machine for general repair work. Taking the number 3 spot is the Hone Stick Welder, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list. Despite its low price, this welder doesn't compromise on essential features. It's equipped with smart hot start and arc force technologies that ensure smooth and stable welding. The machine is compatible with common rods like E6013, E6011, and E7018, making it versatile for various materials including carbon steel, mild steel, and stainless steel. Design-wise, the Hone welder is portable and lightweight, weighing only 5.8 pounds. It comes with a handle and shoulder strap for easy transport. Its safety features include overheat and overcurrent protection, ensuring reliable operation. The LCD display adds a modern touch, helping users monitor welding settings with ease. However, while this welder is great for occasional DIY projects, its 120 amp output may struggle with thicker materials or prolonged use. The Hone Stick Welder is perfect for beginners or anyone on a tight budget. Its pros include affordability, ease of use, and portability, while cons include lower power output and fewer advanced features compared to pricier models. It's an excellent choice for light welding tasks, especially for home repairs and hobby projects. Coming in at rank number 2 is the Welder 135 amp MIG welder, a versatile 3-in-1 machine that handles flux core MIG, stick, and lift tick welding. This welder is ideal for users who need multi-process capabilities in a compact package. Its 135 amp output can tackle mild steel up to 2/5 thick, making it suitable for a variety of applications. Synergic control simplifies adjustments, automatically matching voltage to wire speed for precise results. Plus, the included flux core wire lets you start welding right out of the box. With a sleek design and a weight of just 11.4 pounds, this welder is highly portable. The large LED display enhances usability, providing real-time feedback for voltage and current settings. Safety features like overcurrent and overheating protection ensure dependable operation. However, while it excels in versatility, its MIG capabilities may require additional accessories for gas welding, adding to the overall cost. The Welder 135 amp MIG welder is a top choice for users seeking flexibility and professional-grade features at a reasonable price. Its pros include multi-process capabilities, advanced controls, and portability, while cons include additional accessory costs for full MIG functionality. It's a fantastic pick for DIYers and professionals alike. At the number 1 spot is the Welder 205 amp stick welder, the premium option on our list. This machine delivers exceptional performance with its 205 amp output and dual voltage compatibility, 110 volt/220 volt. Features like hot start, arc force, and anti-stick make it a reliable choice for both seasoned professionals and beginners. It's compatible with popular welding rods like 6010, 6011, and 7018, ensuring versatility across a wide range of applications. The design is robust yet portable, weighing under 8.4 pounds and featuring a compact build with an ergonomic handle. The large LED display is a standout feature, offering clear visibility for current and mode settings. Safety is also prioritized, with automatic voltage compensation, temperature control, and overload protection. While the higher price point may be a consideration, the performance and durability justify the investment. The Welder 205 amp stick welder is the best all-around option, combining power, portability, and advanced features. Pros include high output, dual voltage compatibility, and a user-friendly display, while cons include its slightly higher price. It's the perfect choice for professionals and serious hobbyists looking for reliable performance across various welding tasks. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.